Meaning of gift.
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 Gift. A gift can refer to a physical item or an intangible quality, such as talent. It is something given voluntarily, often as a token of affection, appreciation, or goodwill. Gift-giving is a common practice in many cultures and occurs during various occasions, such as birthdays, weddings, and holidays. While gifts can bring joy and express gratitude, they can also carry social expectations and obligations. The act of giving and receiving gifts can strengthen relationships and foster feelings of connection and warmth. Ultimately, the meaning of gift is subjective and varies depending on the context and perspective.